So here's today's joke. I can never calculate the derivative of a curve every time I try and go off on a tangent. Um, Hopefully you're realizing that when you're trying to calculate the derivative, you're using the tangent to approximate it. And so I think it's pretty funny. Yeah. So here we go. We have section 2.2 day 1, where we are going to talk about basic differentiation rules and rates of change. Today is going to focus mostly on differentiation rules, and here's a giant list of them, and they're going to make our lives very much easier, so we do not have to use our general rule of a derivative. So the definition of a derivative, from what we know already, is the limit as x approaches, I'm going to use h in this scenario, as h approaches 0 for some function x plus h, so h is just that area after that original point. So we're finding the slope between these 2 points, and then this is h on the bottom. And so as h approaches 0, we have to do some manipulation. You need to know that this is the definition, and you need to know how to use it, but I'm going to teach you some secrets today as to how to avoid using it for every single problem. So we've got the 2 trig limits that we already know, and we're going to accept these to be true because we've already done them. So this is stuff that is going to keep showing up over and over and over again, so please make sure that you have them written down somewhere easily, where you can easily reference them. We're also going to look at some trig identities today. So we're going to use, for the most part, this one and this one today to help us prove something. So also make sure that you have those written down. The other two are good to know, but you don't need to know it right off the get-go.